वेलकम मैचुकम फैमिली, कैसे हो आप? सो लेट्स सी, हम आज अगस्त के लिए, एरीज के लिए क्या एनर्जीज है चेक करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स चेक इन फॉर एरीज पीपल. अगस्त एनर्जीज, एंजल्स, यूनिवर्स, प्लीज गाइड मी. हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा. प्लीज हेल्प मी माँ, हेल्प मी माँ, गाइड मी फॉर एरीज पीपल एनर्जी. माँ को बुलाया और माँ की एनर्जी आई है. सो ब्यूटीफुल. हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्णा, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण. ओके. ओके. These people. Okay. बॉटम ऑफ द डेक है फोर ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. आपकी एनर्जीज एरीज पीपल का है जजमेंट. आपको कोई न्याय मिलने वाला है. ओके. आपका एक नया फेज, नया ग्रोथ स्टार्ट होगा इस मंथ में. फॉर द मंथ ऑफ August, you are getting something new in your life or clarities. In this month, you will know what you have to do forward in your life, further in your life. Make sure you have to forgive everyone and keep going forward in your life. Yes, when I was shuffling cards, okay, I was calling out Ma Tripura Sundari. So she has given me this card, okay, the Empress card itself. This is the card of Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. In the month of August, you will see that after the judgment, after the awakening, your spiritual awakening, okay, new abundance is coming in your life, no new feminine energy, someone female can in your, which will help you to grow further in your life. Hmm? So you will be so in your nurturing energy, okay. You will take care of yourself. You will love yourself, okay. You can do exercise. You will try to look very good, very perfect in your manner, okay. So yes, this is your energy. And this is your energy with the strength of card. I can see that there is so much courage and passion in this month, okay. So you will influence others as well as yourself, okay. You will not fear that if you are have anything right in front of you that may scare other people, but you will not scare of that, okay, because you have that inner strength, inner compassion, and you have focus on yourself because you have so much worked on yourself. So might be I'm talking to people that are so much working on themselves spiritually as well as professionally. Okay, so yes, you others will love you. Okay, so you will not hesitate for doing anything or achieving everything in your life. Okay, with this energy. So, see, I have told you someone is coming in your life, yes. So, for males as well as for females, okay, some love is coming towards you. You may get attracted to someone, receive proposal, or you may connect to someone that is very special to you, that is very near to your heart, okay. Might be you, like you have the chances of marriage, okay, that getting start in this month. This connection is getting start, which will lead to marriage in the future. And with the help of this, okay, see, I'm getting that intuitions that whoever is coming in your life, right, she will be very, very passionate, okay, about herself. She will look like a queen, and because of that, okay, you will also try to focus on yourself, to focus on your growth, okay. You will try to focus on yourself. You will focus on your growth, okay. You will attract money, is a new future is coming. Okay, new future of you, new growth, new passionate energy is coming towards you, whether it be in professional or it be in personal life. So whatever confusions you are having in previous month, that is January, Feb, March, okay, so you might be going through a lot of confusions, because I can see that you are working within you. Okay, so you are too much working within you, that you have to be very might be it's spiritual, okay, might be professional, you are working so hard toward yourself. And the confusion you have now, this is the ending of the confusion. So August is new growth is coming, new love is coming, new abundance is coming towards you. See, new abundance is coming towards you. Okay, these are energies for the month of the August. Now let's see what your guidance. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Let's see what your guidance, angel, monk, please guide me. Krishna, please guide me. Hare Krishna. Okay. Guidance are: choose wisely. Okay, every choice matters. Choice with intention, and your future will align with your soul purpose. So, in this month now, the energies of confusion is ending. Okay, so you will choose something. Okay, and you have to choose it very wisely. Okay, because very wisely you have to choose it, because it will connect to your soul purpose. Says cultivate courage. Obviously, you have strength. Okay, you have strength, so much strength. Okay, and you have to. Courage isn't the absence of fear; it's the ability to move forward despite of it. Okay, so guidance of courage. Okay, as well as the energy of courage. So, if you are having any confusion about something in your life that you can't do, okay, you hesitate to do, so don't worry. Guidance and angel guidance itself is about to cultivate courage, and you have to cultivate, because the strength you will show in this month can connect it to your abundance. Okay. Third is face control issues. Trying to control others only limit your freedom. Let go of the need for control and trust in the flow. Okay, so don't try to control anything, whether it be person or whether it can be professional. Okay, so don't try to control it. Maybe you have control issues. Okay, may you are going through control issues, or you have seen many control issues in your past month. So let go of it. You don't need to control it, and trust in the flow. Whatever is happening, it happening. Okay, is beautiful is written in your cards. Understand karmic returns. What you send out in the universe come back. Be mindful of your energy. So now you are working within you. Okay, you are working for you. Like you have so much work within yourself, that you can manifest something. Okay, and when you manifest na, it can come back. Okay, it come backs. But when you manifest, it come back. So be mindful, whatever you are manifesting, it should be good for you and others. Okay, so when you send out into the universe, it come back. So be mindful what your energies are, and your energies are so beautiful in your in this month. Okay, so don't worry. Just make sure the issues you have, like control issues, okay, like confusion, step forward it. Okay, step forward and just ignore that. You have to be mindful what your energies are. So just work on your energies, do some positive manifestations. Okay, for you, for others, for everyone. And please, the major one is that you have to be merciful to others. Okay, you have to forgive others, when you will attract to this abundance in your life. So yes, this beautiful reading, if you want to manifest this, if you want to claim this, please comment and like my videos. Thank you for watching. Radhe Krishna.